I got another fun video for you to check out. This is my latest project that I just completed. I was able to do a quick video walkthrough of what the project house looked like before and also what we transformed it into. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. I'll see you at the end.
Birds are waking me up. I never knew how good they're able to sing. Soft, cool bed and pillow talk, while the sunbeam slowly moves and hit the sheets. 3-4 hours of sleep, and my shades can't save me now. The sun is just a preheat for the night that's about to come. But I just lost my phone, and I don't know where to go.
All right, now's the time that I'm gonna have to ask you to go ahead and ding dong that like button.
Somewhere on a boat, though I feel alright, by a drifter's side, strangers on the go. That's all I have to know. Worries fade in the light. I hold it warm and we dance through the night. Our favorite song is stereo, while the sunbeam slowly turns into stars. 3-4 hours of sleep, and my shades can't save me now. The sun is just a preheat for the night that's about to come. But I just lost my phone, and I don't know where to go. My friends are getting stoned, somewhere on a boat. Though I feel alright, by a drifter's side, strangers on the go. That's all I have to know.
All right, everyone, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this transformation. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button. Also subscribe so you don't miss out on the latest content that I'm putting out there. And do me a favor, comment below with what you like most about this transformation. So until next time, stay handy, my friends. I'll see you later.